Trades Tech Podcast, Episode 2, The AI-Proof Careers of the Future. Skilled Trades Are Rising. Welcome back to the Trades Tech Podcast, where we break down how AI and technology are shaping the future of skilled trades. If you're new here, we drop episodes every Tuesday and Friday, so be sure to subscribe and stay ahead of industry trends.
This podcast is powered by NSTN LP, an organization with over 101 years of combined experience in skilled trades, workforce innovation, and tech-driven training. Through NCTT Academy and the Trades Tech Initiative, they're ensuring that as AI transforms industries, skilled trades continue to thrive. Today, we're tackling a huge misconception, the idea that AI is replacing jobs across the board. But what if I told you there's a massive sector practically immune to the AI and robot revolution? In fact, they're growing faster than ever.
Bold statement alert. AI is coming for jobs, but not these. We're talking skilled trades, plumbers, electricians, carpenters, welders. These aren't just surviving, they're thriving. In fact, right now, there are over 650,000 skilled trade openings in the U.S. alone.
Mind-blowing, isn't it? So the big question for this episode, why are skilled trades the most AI-proof careers?
Exactly. Over the next few minutes, we're going to break down why these hands-on jobs are not only secure, but are booming in the age of automation. You'll learn why robots can't replace a master electrician, how AI is actually creating new trade jobs, and why there's a massive opportunity waiting for the next generation in the skilled trades.
Get ready to ditch the doom and gloom and discover why the future is bright and built by skilled tradespeople. Let's get into it.
Why skilled trades are the most secure jobs of the future. Let's face it, AI is reshaping industries. We see tech giants doing layoffs, software automating tasks. It's a real shift. But here's the thing. That shift is happening away from the skilled trades, not towards them.
Precisely. Think about it. What does AI and automation excel at? Repetitive digital tasks. What do skilled trades involve? Physical dexterity, problem-solving in unpredictable environments, and hands-on expertise. Try teaching a robot to troubleshoot a complex plumbing issue in a 100-year-old house.
Good luck with that. Automation struggles with the real world. It's about physical manipulation, adaptability, and human judgment. Things AI is still miles away from mastering in these fields. And the stats back this up. While some sectors are shrinking, skilled trades are exploding.
We're talking serious growth projections. Construction, booming. Electrical work, essential and expanding. Manufacturing, despite automation in manufacturing, still needs skilled technicians to build, maintain, and operate those automated systems. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects significant growth in construction and extraction occupations, and jobs for electricians and industrial machinery mechanics are also on the rise.
These aren't just marginal increases either. We're talking about industries that are foundational to our society and economy, and they are desperately seeking skilled workers. The demand is there, and AI isn't filling those boots anytime soon.
Okay, so AI isn't replacing trades, but it's not just standing on the sidelines either, right? This is where it gets interesting. AI is actually enhancing skilled trades and creating brand new opportunities.
Exactly. Think of AI as a super-powered tool belt for tradespeople. AI-assisted diagnostics, for example, are helping mechanics and technicians pinpoint issues faster and more accurately than ever before. Imagine an electrician using AI to analyze complex wiring diagrams or diagnose electrical faults with incredible speed.
And robotics in construction is another huge area. While robots aren't replacing construction workers, they are taking on dangerous or highly repetitive tasks, making job sites safer and more efficient. Think about robotic arms assisting with bricklaying or welding in hard-to-reach places.
Then there's augmented reality, or AR training. Imagine learning to be a plumber or electrician with AR overlays guiding you through complex procedures, step by step, in a safe and interactive environment. It's revolutionizing trade education.
This is leading to entirely new job categories. We're seeing the rise of AI-powered electricians who can leverage smart technologies to optimize energy efficiency in buildings, robotic machine operators in advanced manufacturing, and smart home technicians who specialize in installing and maintaining AI-driven home systems.
We even spoke to a master HVAC technician recently who's using AI-powered software to predict equipment failures before they happen. He's offering proactive maintenance services, increasing efficiency for his clients, and commanding higher rates because of his AI-enhanced skills. It's not about AI replacing him, it's about AI making him even more valuable.
So, if skilled trades are so secure and evolving with technology, why aren't more young people jumping in? This is where the stigma comes in, and it's a big problem. But there's hope. Organizations like NSTNLP and NCTT Academy are pushing trade education forward, integrating AI into training programs, and getting young people excited about these careers.
Huge. We're still battling this outdated idea that a 4-year college degree is the only path to success. Studies show that a staggering 74% of Gen Z still perceives a stigma around trade schools and vocational careers. It's like hands-on work is seen as somehow less than a desk job.
And parents play a massive role in this. Many well-meaning parents push their kids towards 4-year degrees, often without even considering skilled trades as a viable and lucrative alternative. It's ingrained in our culture.
Then there's the lack of exposure in schools. Vocational programs have been cut back, shop classes are disappearing, and career counselors often focus primarily on college prep. Many young people simply aren't even aware of the incredible opportunities in the trades.
So how do we change this? It starts with education. We need to elevate trade education, highlight the tech integration within modern trades, and showcase the earning potential and job security. Early exposure is key, bringing back vocational programs in schools, offering apprenticeships and internships to high school students.
And employers need to step up too. Employer-led training programs, apprenticeships, and partnerships with trade schools are crucial to bridge the skills gap and attract young talent. We need to bust this myth that trades are a backup plan and show young people that they are a first-choice career path to a thriving future.
Let's talk numbers. The skilled trades labor shortage isn't just a talking point. It's a real crisis in many sectors. The stats are pretty stark.
Absolutely. For every 2 skilled workers entering the trades, we have 5 retiring. That's a massive skills gap that's widening every year. This isn't just a future problem, it's impacting us right now.
Think about construction delays. Projects are being pushed back, timelines are stretching, and costs are rising because there aren't enough skilled tradespeople to get the work done. This impacts everything from housing to infrastructure.
And wages are reflecting this demand. Salaries for skilled trades are climbing, and experienced tradespeople are in a fantastic position to command top dollar. It's a simple supply and demand equation.
Companies and governments are starting to respond, though. We're seeing a renewed focus on apprenticeships, with companies investing heavily in training programs to grow their own workforce. Governments are also offering incentives and funding for vocational education.
And circling back to our theme, AI-driven training programs are emerging to accelerate learning and make trade education more engaging and accessible. It's all hands on deck to address this shortage and ensure we have the skilled workforce we need for the future.
The bottom line is this: skilled trades aren't just surviving in the age of AI. They're evolving, leading in many ways, and absolutely essential. The future isn't just tech, it's built.
So let's recap the key takeaways. Skilled trades are undeniably AI-proof careers. The demand is massive and growing, fueled by both industry expansion and a critical labor shortage. And crucially, AI isn't replacing tradespeople. It's creating new opportunities and enhancing the skills of those in the field.
The future is incredibly bright for those entering the skilled trades. It's a path to job security, good pay, and meaningful hands-on work. It's time to ditch the outdated stigmas and recognize the trades for what they are: careers of the future.
Absolutely. If you're looking for a career that's secure, in demand, and at the forefront of innovation, look no further than the skilled trades.
Ready to learn more about AI-proof careers? Make sure you subscribe to Trades Tech Podcast wherever you get your podcasts, and share this episode with anyone who needs to hear this message, especially young people exploring career options.
At NSTNLP, they believe that knowledge gained through experience is invaluable. With over a century of combined expertise in skilled trades, they are committed to giving back to the community and reshaping the narrative around trade careers. Too often, skilled professionals are discouraged from sharing their insights because traditional education systems and communities fail to recognize the immense value of their hands-on expertise. Their mission is to bridge this gap, elevating, educating, and empowering the next generation of tradespeople through innovation, mentorship, and technology-driven training. And join our Trades Tech community online. We'll be sharing resources, stories, and connecting you with experts in the field. Links in the show notes.
Next time on Trades Tech Podcast, we're diving deep into the question, is college overrated, and the truth about high-paying trade jobs. You won't want to miss it.
And don't forget to subscribe. We drop episodes every Tuesday and Friday. Stay connected, stay ahead, and we'll see you next time on Trades Tech Podcast. For cutting-edge insights, exclusive tips, and the latest news tailored for skilled trades, visit tradetechpodcast.com.